being the avatar.
Yes, the avatar. Okay, come on.
Look at my hair. It looks like an apple.
Mm-hmm. You're so pretty.
Everybody got their hat? Johan, you got your hat?
That's my.
Okay, we're going to Pandora Avatar. Go, Johan, to daddy.
Go, Johan.
Ganda, oh. Grabe. Ang ganda. Say hi here, Nalay. Ha? Pinakamaganda yun, oh, Nalay. Yan ang maganda. Grabe tong pila na to. Papunta sa Avatar. Nasa baba pa, marami. Johan. Hi. Daddy, look at here. Show it. May baon kaming mango. Girl Scout si Mami. Ang gwapo naman. Love you. I love you. Uy, pa-charming ka, ah. Scout si Mami. Ating handa. Avatar. After 2 hours, after 2 hours of waiting, we almost there. Go.
One, two, three, four. Keep going.
Keep going.
Please fill the room on both sides of the room and send the number you were given.
There you go.
Seal genetic matching room. Okay, Dr. Steven.
You're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a Banshee. The way you're going to do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. But first, we have to scan you for Pandoran microparasites. Alright everyone, stay on your number and move a lot like the Navi. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. Over a generation ago, this enormous company called the RD.
That's me.
That's you? Worth it ba?
Yeah, what's it?
Right here.
Sayang, ano, hindi nakabidyo si Mami.
You go downstairs.
It was worth it though.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
it was like we were flying.
Oho, bawal lang mag-video eh, no?
We'll just tell you everything.
Mhm.
It's like I want to go. Can we go there again?
Oh my gosh, naku na. 2 hours of waiting.
We're about to
But it's worth it.
the child. I'm gonna make the child. Yeah. I'm gonna make.
Okay,
I'm gonna
what
make
you
the
gonna do?
parent. I'm gonna make the parent. It's a avatar maker.
Uh-huh.
You make your own.
So I make my own avatar like that.
Mhm, magpapagawa sila ng customized na avatar.
And you gotta scan
May gonna scan. Yeah, may scan sila na face then sa avatar maker. It's $80.
I'm gonna make the parents first. I'm gonna make me, and I'm gonna make you.
How many number mo?
Ah, yan, pinapipili sila yan.
Alright. So I'm going to take a quick scan of your face.
Okay.
My camera right here will give you a little bit of light. Yeah, it's going to collect data like your eyebrow shape, your nose shape, and your lip shape.
Personalized avatar. Yeah, I got it.
Next step, you'll be able to choose from 5 different eye colors. Brown. And then you'll be able to choose what kind of stripes you want on your face. Number 2. Okay. And then for the child sizes, you can choose between the 2 different hairstyles. So number 1 or number 2. Alright, and here is a preview of what your avatar will look like. It'll pop up in just a moment. Are you okay with all the selections you made today?
Yeah.
Okay.
You like it?
When you're all set, you just hold on to that card.
Daddy, I want to do that. I want to do that.
Make sure you can shoot the No, the child
Just listen to it.
Alright, I'm going to take a quick scan of your face. Take a look at the camera right here. Okay. You'll see your face pop up here. Green. Okay. And then you can choose either hair number 1 or hair number 3.
One.
What was it?
Good job. What's up?
Right here is a preview of what your avatar will look like. Oh, we didn't get to change your stripes yet. There we go. Number 5. There we go. Are you happy with all the selections you made? Yeah? Okay, then you're all set. You hold on to that card. No one else get a hold of your DNA, but open it up, we're going to squeeze the side.
Oh, let me see.
Your turn.
Oh, look, show.
That looks like you too, Johan.
Whoa.
Look at him.
Make sure we keep our DNA card right in there.
That looks just like you.
Oh, that's good. Lunch time. Whoop, muntik pang malaglag anak ha. Masakit na yung throat ko kasi sigaw.
Gopaw.
Siopaw?
But it's like it's like a half soap powder and a half.
Si Daddy have like a pancit. No, I'm good.
Then it's like a half soap powder and a half cheeseburger.
Spicy.
It's a half soap powder and a half cheeseburger. It's as beef.
And they have a hot dog.
Do they got your recipe?
Nope.
Mami, ayaw ni Mami. Kumain ako ng mga snack na busog na ako. Kaantay dun sa pila.
Let's go this way. Asia.
Yan, kahaba ang mga pila. See? Pila yan. Pila yan.
Aboard the Kilimanjaro Safari. My name is Steven. I'm going to be your safari driver out here today. Now in the reserve, we got a few safety reminders for you. We ask that all those hands, arms, feet, legs remain inside at all times, also requiring everyone, adults and children, to remain fully and completely seated for the duration. Now the first animal we'll see is over there on the right. There's no copy back there. They have stripes in their front hind legs resembling a zebra. However, they are the closest known living relative to the giraffe. They share a lot of the same facial features as each other, as well as having really long tongues, assisting with grabbing onto harder to reach leaves and branches. Now on either side of the truck here, you're going to find a watering hole, which are great places for animal to come, cool off, relax, and fish. Watering holes also known as excellent gathering spots for many of the animal out here. On the right is a saddle-billed stork standing at 5 feet tall, wingspan anywhere 7 to 9 feet in length, getting their name from a saddle-shaped crest they have on their beaks. Now you might have been able to see the eye coloring on that saddle-billed stork was a bright yellow eye coloring. It's how you can tell that is a female saddle-billed stork, as the male have brown eyes. Now a much larger animal is over here on the left, the black rhinoceros, weighing in 3,000 pounds. A very solitary, very territorial animal.
Say it, ate.
Yeah. It's so cool. It blends in with the sand.
What?
It blends in with the sand and the cave.
Mia.
Now, up here on the left is going to be the greater kudu. They stand in at 5 feet tall at the shoulder. Lighter stripes on their backs will help them blend in with the taller grassy areas. They don't have horns on their backs, which is how you can tell
see that
they
one
are
over there?
female. Those are male greater kudu have horns.
Yeah, naka-cover sila eh. Nagtatago. Yeah.
Oh, was it a brown one? So that was the fawn. They're typically found underwater as they hold their breath around 8 minutes at a time. Now I don't see any right away, but I see these blackbirds over here. They're vultures local to the area. You'll see them throughout the reserve and the park today. Now you also see these peak-back pelican as well. They get their names, the feathers on their backs will turn a slight pinkish coloring during mating season. For them, it's a few rainier months out of the year in Africa for them. Now, when you look for hippopotamus, you want to look towards the bottom of the water. They can swim, but they usually get to wherever they're going, just walking along the bottom of the water. And in my opinion, when they do so, I think they look like large moving rocks down there. Now, a full-grown adult hippopotamus is going to eat about 80 pounds of food in one day. A baby hippopotamus, on the other hand, is weighing in right right at that 5,500 pound mark.
He got out of the water because you could tell because he's
As we head on over
wet.
the bridge in just a moment, on the left are the Nile crocodile. They do grow anywhere from 16 to 20 feet in length. They are about 500 pounds apiece. Now, Nile crocodile will eat half of their body weight in one meal. And using the jaws that they have, to crush through almost anything, but they're actually going to hunt animals much larger than themselves. Even once every few weeks out there in the wild.
They like to go
Exiting the Safi River, we now head to my favorite part of the reserve. It is the savannah, smoking animals such as giraffe, elephant, white rhinoceros, and if we're lucky, we might even get to see a lion or a cheetah out here. Now, personally, my favorite part of the savannah is going to be how animals, just by living their everyday lives, helping each other. Their horns are large, however, they're hollow. They contain a honeycomb texture on the inside, which blood vessels will run through. Now, warmer blood's going to stay up in the top of the horns with assistance from the wind. That cooler blood is going to run back down into
They
the
look
body.
like cows.
It works almost like an air conditioning unit for the animal. Now, you'll see different coloration of the cattle. The farmer in Africa will actually...
I bet you've got a headache. That's a huge.
Now, as you take a peek over the bushes here on the left, inside of the cave itself are the African painted dog, getting their name for the markings on their coats. They are more commonly referred to as the most successful hunters in Africa. As they will earn that title, they chase their prey till they can run no more, and that is when they will feed. Now, a pack of the painted dog consists of 5 to 13 of those animals and is led by an alpha male and an alpha female who will be the main breeders in the groups. Now, my favorite animals, the neck patterns as unique to them as our fingerprints are to us, which is how they tell each other apart, memorizing each other's stripes like a barcode scanner, which they can do so from a fairly young age. Now, the wildebeest here have the largest migrational pattern of any of the animal out here, as the average migration of wildebeest consists of 1.5 million wildebeest when they migrate, creating a cloud of dust large enough to be seen from the International Space Station. On either side of the truck here, some termite mounds. They are made of dirt, saliva, and dung. Hardening out in the heat of the savannah, they get to be so hard that an elephant will scratch their backs on them without them breaking. Now, elephant will do just that. They rub up against them and they will wear them down to smaller sizes. Once they have reached smaller sizes, antelope will be able to hop on top of them as they take a look out for a predator in the wild. Known as signs of wealth. It's said that the more cattle that you have on your land, the more wealthy that you actually appear to be.
They look like cows. They are.
Now, if you look all the way up this hill, now we'll definitely see a few more up ahead. There is leaping and giving birth. A giraffe does give birth standing up, but that being said, the introduction into the world for a giraffe is a 6-foot drop into the world right at birth.
Oh, I saw it too. There's one like in the trees, and then I saw that one.
On the right over there, you're going to see another one of the wildebeest animal, also known as the gnu. Spelled G-N-U, that is for the sound in which they make.
Ito ang magandang ano.
And we're also going to find what's known as a flamboyant, the name of a group of flamingo. Now, these here are the greater flamingo. They get their pink coloring from the diet of shrimp that they eat. Flamingo are born gray, and it takes 2 years or so for that colorization process to happen. You're going to find the flamingo fully upside down in the water with their feet bobbing back and forth. It is how they eat. 50 pounds right at birth, and they gain 100 pounds a month after that.
The baby. Look at the baby.
So this baby right here is one of the 1-year-olds. We've got 2 1-year-olds and a 2-year-old out on the reserve. I have seen all 3 of them out here today, so we'll keep a lookout a little bit later on for the other 2 baby rhinos. Now this is going to be the 2-year-old back here. Now as of recently, he has been trying to fight with mom, but I'll go ahead. Spoil padding on the bottom of their paws allows them to have better traction on when they run. Sneak up on prey a bit easier, as well as climbing up on those taller rocks.
That's so cool.
Mga tulog sila, ano anak?
Now with the
Mga
birds,
pagod.
we're going to look for some
Because then-
animals, and we're going to
because
find what's
then
shown as the largest
on the
valley animal in
nighttime
Africa.
they're
The warthog's
What?
just behind the tree here. Now warthog are burrowing animals. They don't like to dig their own burrows. They prefer taking them over from previously found animals.
That's the
I know. Johan, go!
Down the Discovery River from Disney Pixar's Up. It's our friends Russell and Doug.
Yes, we're done. Sweet. Let me see your hand. What is that?
Mango.
Mango.
Cauldron candy.
Cotton candy. Suba mo daw si ate. Masarap. Magbabay-dance na kayo.
Share, hit the bell, and subscribe to our channel.
Oh.
And I'm watching. Bye.